2012 500. The Fiat 500 offers 3 exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, driver airbag, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, hands-free link system, FWD, trip computer, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, rear wiper, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.